Today we are going to discuss about the aggregate functions in relational database, or because this is the SQL statement, so that's why I can also say that in SQL. Okay, so now, but basically it's available in while working on the database management system. Okay, so now I'm saying if you get the record which has the minimum value or the maximum value, so how can you do that? For suppose I'm saying select static from student, sorry, it's not select, I'm saying select. Now I'm saying minimum, that means I'm saying I'm going to get the minimum value. Now I'm saying minimum, you have to specify the column name. So now I'm saying the column name is SID from students, control enter. So now as you can see, it's showing you the control enter, it's showing you the minimum 8 record, because you already has the minimum 8 record. So as you can see, it has minimum value 8, so that's why it's showing you. For suppose if you saying that if you say that select maximum, you have to specify the column name from students. Okay, it's from control enter. As you can see, it's showing you the maximum value, because you have the maximum value 14 in the table. So as you can see, the maximum record is 14. So in this way you can specify the minimum and the maximum value. So you can also perform the other aggregate functions like count, average and sum. For suppose if I say that select count and specify your column here from student, control enter to execute your query. So as you can see, it's saying 7 results, because use the select static from student query. As you can see, it's showing you the 7 records. So that's why you are saying count. That means it's counting the total entries, count from students, and it's saying 7 records. The count functions return the number of rows that match a specific criteria. So in this time we are saying count from the SID. Now similarly, you can also perform the average and sum. For suppose I am saying select sum, I'm saying for this column from students, control enter. So now as you can see, it's showing you the 77 value. Similarly, you can use the average, AVG average. Now I'm saying average for SID. Now from students, control enter. So now as you can see, the average is 11.00. Okay, you can also specify, as you know, it's showing you the AVG SID. You can also use the areas. I'm saying as my AVG, control enter. So now as you can see, it's showing you the my AVG. It's totally depend upon you how you creating the logic and what is your requirement. So in this way you can perform the aggregate functions or the maximum, minimum, count, average or sum. So I think this is enough for today. In the next section we are going to cover some other topics. So thank you for watching.